All right, chat. How you doing? Right now it is 9:30. Market opens in 6 seconds. Um, right now we do have uh three red folder news that comes in at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna kind of be waiting for that. Um, if we look, London session kind of swept uh Asia session liquidity and it reversed. So could be looking for a New York session continuation. However, I really do think it depends on how this news comes out. Um, yeah, we're gonna be pushing up towards these highs, manipulating towards these highs for a little bit. Not gonna take a trade. As much as I'd want to just full port and get this little hit right here, I'm gonna chill. Um, let's see. I think we could rotate lower, just off of the news. However, like, I mean, you saw this coming. Swept these highs. Might be pushing for these up here. These highs still have not been swept, and neither have these highs. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to fix this chart. I'm not doing this right now. I'm not gonna lie. Said that as I started doing it. So normally I would wait till about 9:45 to take a trade. However, I am probably going to be waiting till about 10. Sorry. Simply because of the fact that like I don't know uh I don't know when or how the news is going to affect the market. Is it up here? Just 4 hour. So we do got some 4 hour highs up here, or some daily highs, probably. However, they're not being swept out yet. Jesus, like, look at that candle. Definitely don't think it's gonna last forever, though. On NQ, it pushed up past these highs. On ES, it is struggling. Alright. I mean, no, on ES, it pushed past these highs, but it's just not staying. But on NQ, it's pushing past these highs, and it is holding as well. Overall, I'm kind of bearish on the day. Um, I mean, no, I could be bullish. We definitely just swept out a lot of low time frame liquidity to the downside. NQ is steadily holding above these highs. and it's looking like it might want to even push for these highs, but we're gonna have to wait until about 10 a.m. So I'm gonna let price develop. Maybe play some YouTube in the background or something. Play some oh, excuse me. Okay. So price did not react the same. Right now it created an SMT. And it looks like New York session wants to start this move early on it wants to start this move early on S&P. And I'm going to get in. I'm gonna wait. See, I almost just hopped in, but I feel like with the news is coming out, I honestly I don't know how it's gonna be because if you look like the past couple like news days or whatever, like it's just been kind of like skewed. So I don't know what's going on. We got some bad, some good, some bad, some good. How will today look? I don't know. I'm gonna kind of just let price rock until about 10. So I'll see you then. All right, so price is pushing lower. Filled in this gap that it made from market open. It's about 9:44 now. Looking, I think that we could still rotate lower. I do want to wait though, um, just because of the fact that we have that news coming. However, price did react here. I mean, you can't reuse the same fair value gap, or like fair value gaps. You get if one of them gets used. I mean, so this one did it get used though? Not really. It's still in it, but it closed above it. Kind of the same for both. Just chilling in this middle one. Okay, I am recording. Had to change up the music on y'all boys. Looks like Price is gonna try and fill in this gap here. If it doesn't, I will be looking for Price to enter this for value gap before entering long. Do think that there's some nicer liquidity on the down not the down, on the upside. So I will be entering long for 10 cons when Price pulls in here. Whew, not bad, chat, not bad. Maybe not 10. Over leveraging. I might as well. I think NQ might have a little bit cleaner moves right now. Kind of glad that my order didn't get filled here and I didn't just place one. As I say that, he is ready to. Looks like it's struggling to push above these highs. Nice, beautiful candle. And that is a 5-minute close as well. So, still kind of just waiting. think the best thing for me to do is to just bail out a little early. It's getting pretty close to that time. However, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna get that move back up. Is that a little higher? I'm not gonna bail out early. However, I can move my stop a little higher. And then did I mark it out on NQ? Yeah, NQ is still pretty far away. Nice strong candle closure to the upside. NQ is actually not as far as I believe. Still too early to move my stop loss to break even. About 7 minutes until we get news. Really good candle we got going on here. But, I mean, the individual candle doesn't really mean anything. That was a good 1 minute closure. Very strong. Looks like NQ is about to take out those highs. ES is struggling a little bit. Gonna move my stop loss to break even. Yeah. NQ is about to touch those highs. Yes, looks like it does not want to. And that is my stop filled. Not bad. Not a bad trade. It looked like it wanted to reach it, but I mean it just didn't, I guess. So, however, now I'm just gonna wait for 3 minutes as price comes, and we'll see what it does. Did was there not another? Here it is. Price could have just been reacting to this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to develop, see what it wants to do. Gonna probably wait this 3 minutes out and then reopen up. I close ES. In the world? Why did it do it again? Bruh, it did it again. Yeah. Kind of sucks that my drawings disappeared. Uh-huh. Red dye 40 at 10 in the morning. About 20 seconds. That has like some Christmassy jazz vibe. Oh, good. Actual. Okay. So, not bad. Numbers aren't bad. Gonna look for some bullish price action here. You might get a sweep downwards though, before moving higher. Could be. Yeah. I'm gonna get one in right there. Just because I know I FOMO. I should have took this trade on NQ. I literally said it earlier I needed to be taking this trade on NQ. Now, do I think we will probably go all the way up to those highs up there? Probably not. However, I think we can go pretty far. NQ broke above the highs. The second one is right here. And then I'm gonna move my stops from here to about here. And let's see how this does. NQ is already doing, like, NQ is just breezing through this. Today ES is just not where it's supposed to be. I literally told myself I need to take this trade on NQ and I didn't. So that's me. For me, I'm getting punished for it. Look at that price action right there. NQ is a lot closer to those highs. And so ES might start dumping now. I wish I could see that line. Nice. Eight seconds until the candle closes. I'd like to see a nice push here. It's decent. ES is getting that pop higher. Gonna be moving my stops. I actually want to take 5 partials. Wait, not 10. Okay. I definitely said I wanted to take 5. And this move is just gonna go without me now. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. It is what it is. That move definitely had the I had the right idea there with this move. Um it sucks that I accidentally closed too early. But look at this. Not a bad day. 572 profit. Yeah. I will be hopping off of the charts. I appreciate y'all for staying. If you want to see my bias and see why I took that entry. So the first one came, we swept into here. I was a little bit I believe entered a little bit. Hold on, let me see if I can show my entries. Show fills. Okay. I can't see the previous one, but I mean obviously this one right here. Uh I entered, saw the news, saw that we were still in bullish order flow, so I wanted to go ahead and just hop in. Um Price is probably going to start looking to reverse now. I'm done trading though. So I mean it's not gonna reverse. It's probably gonna be bullish for quite a little bit longer. But all right, y'all. Um I love y'all. Y'all be safe. I thank y'all for choosing my video to watch. Um, and yeah, if you think that you're losing, it's because you're not winning enough. Wait, no. Ah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, y'all. I'm gonna get it. What is it? If you think that if you think that you lost, is because you're not. Hmm. If you think that you lost, is because you stopped trying. I think that's the one. All right, y'all. Y'all be safe. I'll see you on the next one.